Are you an implantologist, a surgeon placing implants day in, day out, and still wondering why your results are not so good aesthetically, or why do you lose that soft tissue after a few years of the implant placement? Or do you face that problem, that black triangle between two implanted teeth, or between the teeth and the implant crown? If you are facing all those problems, this video is for you. Guys, gone are the days when we were taught that implant should be placed where the bone is. It's not the science. Time has changed. We have to place an implant where the prosthesis comes in the right position, and that is the key to all our dental implant problems. If we start placing implants in prosthetically correct positions, I'm sure that our patients and our results are going to be amazing. Second point, we don't give any importance to hard and soft tissue augmentation. Well, some people have taken up hard tissue augmentation, of course, they're doing it really well. What about the soft tissue? Many of us, I still see 90% of the dentists around me, they're not giving sufficient importance to the soft tissue. Why is that? If we start doing soft tissue grafts wherever necessary, our implant results are going to be more aesthetic and they're going to be more durable. Soft tissue grafts are not that difficult. Soft tissue grafts are really essential part. The same way as bone is necessary, the soft tissue is equally important for our implant health. So guys, I would suggest go back to the drawing board, find a good implant mentor, learn it all over again. I have done it many times because science keeps on evolving. Implants keep on evolving every year. Find a good mentor and learn the modern implantology, which is comprising of prosthetically placed implants and simultaneously doing soft tissue grafts. This is very important, guys. It's time to change because implantology is going to the next level. Mark my words, in the next 1 year, implantology is going to the next level. And if you're not into soft and hard tissue augmentation, you're going to be lagging behind. So guys, fasten your seat belts and catch up on the train to soft tissue. See you till the next video.